So this is the there you
He's
can...
hiding from pirates or something.
Where?
Here, see, you can see the head, shoulders.
Now it's time to walk up the stairs, which is never as fun.
It's massive. Oh, whoa. That looks like you should be in the zoo.
I've been with Steph for like 3 days and look at how my outfit's changed. I've now got sliders on these shorts. I never wear bloody shorts anywhere. Oh. So good.
I might have to stop being brave in a second. Go in. Storm.
Steph in for Storm in the hot tub.
Yeah. Steph's hoping to go back to the dinosaur years. Yeah. Let us know if it...
Wow.
Oh my god, I just picked up the metal chair. That was so cool. I was filming then.
That was... Yeah.
That was so cool. So guys, I'm scared now.
Wow, that's above us.
That is scary.
You should probably get out the hot
amazing.
tub.
That was...
You what?
Who said you should probably get out the hot tub?
Why?
Yes, I'm gonna...
We're stuck in deadlock. We've come to go surfing and the roads are fluffed.
A crane has blocked off Pembroke and we've had to go down this lane and now nobody can pass because it's literally all the traffic that wants to go through Pembroke is now coming through this tiny lane and it is rammed. So somebody has dropped something off a building site, blocked up Pembroke, and now we're stuck in lanes.
So the surfboard just flipped off the roof, so we had to squeeze it in. Steph's in the back seat. Something's telling us that we shouldn't go surfing today. So that was great fun. I swallowed far too much water and I think I need a heavier surfboard or I just need to get better at it because I'm not great. We just got to a false summit. I thought this was going to be it. Yeah, we do need a helicopter to get back up for sure. Wow, look how cool it is. Yeah, stunning.
Oh, nearly. Or is he going to try a handstand?
There's a little bit left.
But obviously, not one person.
Give it to Mummy, Dad.
Hang on, can I just say, are we coming back or just out to there?
Ready?